Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today is a bit unusual. As you guys know, I stopped uploading on Sundays a while ago, but I think the universe is looking down on me and saying, you need to stay busy. So I have Boxycharm for you guys today. On a Sunday. Weird. I think in my entire existence of living here, I may have gotten 4 packages on a Sunday in the decade that we've lived here. And I don't know. I just think the universe is like, I know that you will get up for Boxycharm, Ipsy, or your mystery boxes. So we have Boxycharm. It is $25 a month. It's a beauty subscription. If you're not aware, there will be a playlist link down below. Also, current giveaway going on, trying to hit 2.5. So share out this, that, and the other with the giveaway. 8 winners, Jeffree Star products, and I am supposed to be getting my mystery boxes tomorrow. And so you guys also know that there will be a giveaway with that. Boxycharm used to be $21 a month, now it's $25. You see I am a little done up today. My hair is my prep hair. We had pre-existing plans to go see Birds of Prey today, so we are going to do that. So I do have a little Anastasia in the brow, and then I am wearing red rum on my lips. I did put on a little bit of blush, but I'm not wearing like foundation or anything like that. I just didn't feel like going all out, but I did want to kind of brighten up a little bit just to make me feel a little better, because you know, playing in makeup always makes me feel better. Let me stop rambling and let's get, oh yeah, so the giveaway will be linked down below, and I'll link my older, like the live videos, I'll link those down below, where, you know, you can see me getting my boxes. And I don't know, I feel like I'm rambling. Today's shirt is just like an old school Mickey Mouse t-shirt. It came extremely distressed, so like the neck was already like yanked out, and you know, it was already like a very super thin material when I bought it, so it's not, I'm not wearing a shirt that's like 30 years old or anything. All right, let's get into Boxycharm, shall we? So I open it up and this is what I see. And I'm already seeing something from First Aid Beauty, which is good. Oh, but where is my, I don't have a thingy. I don't have a, there's no card. Okay, strange. But the first thing I am pulling out is from First Aid Beauty, and I actually love these things. I buy them on my own, so it's nice to get them again. I do really like these. I love taking them on vacation with me for just like kind of like an easy cleanup sort of a thing. I mean, I know that they're just exfoliating pads or what have you, but I do like to use them like when I'm trying to refresh my face on vacation. So there's that, that's cool. The current one that I have is like halfway empty, so that's cool. No prices because I don't have a card. The next thing I am pulling, ooh, these are pretty. I am pulling out these brushes. So these are so gorgeous. So you have 3 face brushes here, but gosh, I usually don't use a ton of face brushes. Usually the ones that I like keep are for eyes, because those get dirty super easy. But these are face brushes. I don't tend to have a lot of face brushes that I use regularly, but they're so pretty. It's like so pretty. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to pass it along? I don't know. I will leave them in their packaging. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I might throw them in a giveaway for you guys. I have to think about it. The next thing I am pulling out is by Pure, and it's a 4-in-1 correcting primer. So let's see, what does it correct? It says 4-in-1 correcting. It says it's silicone free. You know what? I'm pretty dead set on my primers. I will probably just pass this along and put it in a giveaway. I also don't use correcting primers. I don't have any coloring that I need to correct. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm just pretty dead set in my primers that I use. I am branching out, and I got a Tarte primer, face spray or something. Anyway, branching out a little bit, just not enough to want to keep this. So there is that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Glassy Skin Balm, Pretty Filter Glassy. And it's by Touch and Soul. So the packaging is super pretty. I really like that. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous packaging. I really, really like that. Let's take a peek. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The smell and the texture of it kind of reminds me of I don't remember. Okay, so what is this exactly? Okay, so it's the last step of your skincare routine. Apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve a dewy glow. Okay, I don't need a dewy glow. Super, super cute packaging, but I will probably just toss that in a giveaway. I have a dewy glow as it is. But, ooh, and this is Kate Somerville Bio-Mimicking Peptides. So it looks like this. And it was open. It came open, but there is that. And let's see, it is a smooth and firm, and it's a serum. So I will actually keep this. I really do like Kate Somerville products. She is probably, I would say, the most expensive face care product that I have purchased or bought regularly. So I will keep this. I will try it because I do like her brand. So that's it. No card or anything, but I mean, I think it was a good box. I mean, I am giving away 2 of the 5 items, potentially a third, but it's not because I don't like it. It's just because it's freaking gorgeous. But anyway, I'm dropping everything. Okay, that was a Boxycharm. We are getting ready to head out for the day, so I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.